How to change primary country location on Facebook page. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are on your Facebook account, you have to switch from your Facebook account to Facebook page. Once you are on your Facebook page, head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then you have to click on your profile. Scroll down and then tap on Edit Public Details. It will lead you to this page. Now scroll down and you'll see the category where it says Place Lived. You will be able to see two different options over here. One is Add Current City and the other is Add Hometown. Click on the very first one, Add Current City. Now tap on this icon. Now simply search for the city that you have lived in. Once you have selected, tap on Save at the bottom. And there you go, your primary country location has been changed successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change primary country location on Facebook page. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.